Hello, wonderful people. How are you doing? Welcome back to the Lentonette's Kitchen, where cooking is simple, fun, and easy. If you're new here, welcome to this amazing channel. But if you're a returning subscriber, karibu sana, and don't forget to subscribe, for it really supports our channel. So, guys, today I am throwing down a most requested recipe, and I think you can give it a guess from our ingredients. Today we are going to be throwing down chicken biryani. So let's get straight into our ingredients of the day. 1 teaspoon of chicken masala, 2 tablespoons of garam masala, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 large onions, salt, food color, egg yellow food color, grated ginger, natural yogurt, a glass of natural yogurt or mala, you can get full chicken, 3 large tomatoes, 500 grams of rice, chicken doro masala from my favorite Timin Spice company, paprika masala, cooking oil, 4 eggs. So guys, it's about to go down. Let's get into our kitchen. So my people, let's start by boiling our eggs and our rice. Then we will get into the chicken. As I always told you in my other videos, that when we are boiling anytime you're boiling your eggs, add vinegar and salt to your water. This will help it to easily peel, and it will also prevent your sufurias from turning black. So let's add in our eggs. Then let me add water. There you go. So, and guys, how do you always do your rice? Do you boil your water first? Is when you add in the rice, or so? Let me show you a simple hack, guys. There's no need of stressing yourself in boiling water first, then adding your rice. It's just the same thing. So let's add our rice. Remember, I told you that anything, if the rice is 1 cup, water will be 2 cups. It doubles. So let's add our rice first. Let me measure it so that you may see. Oops. So this is 1 cup, and as you can see, this is not full, so it's like 3/4. So let's add in. So we double the water for the 1 cup. That is 1, 2, the first 3/4, and the second 3/4. Then add in your oil. And your salt. Then at this point, you reduce your heat to the lowest point and you cover your sufuria. And that is it. That is it. So guys, let's now get into preparing the chicken. I'm just passing them in cold water for easy peeling. Here they go. I just place them here. So let's check on our rice. Yummy, 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 yummy. It's almost done. Just give it some few more minutes to dry, for the water to dry up. Then we get straight into our chicken. So guys, I've decanted the water. I want to peel them. So meanwhile, our rice is ready. Let me show you what we are going to do with our rice. It's ready. You can see our shortcut has worked. So the first thing, I want to color it. Remember our egg yellow food color. So what you do, add a little bit of it first. A little bit of it. For it to give you a deep yellow color, add a little water first. We want that deep yellow color. Mix. Let's mix. Okay. So let's add it on one side. Okay, at that point, now let's add more water to the food color. And so once you've colored this way, don't mind about my rainbow, use a fork to like mix it well. Use a fork, mix it well so that you may come up with a colored mixture. And there you go. So let's work on our eggs. Let's peel them. So guys, let's start preparing our chicken. First thing first, your onions. And remember, if you love onions, the secret to biryani is onions. For the onion lovers, me, I don't love onions, so I'm not going to do so much of it. After adding in your onions, add in your oil. So let's wait for the onions to cook a little bit. Don't use too much oil because your natural yogurt is going to produce oil. So to speed the process of onions cooking, we add in a little salt. So guys, at this point, let's add in our ginger. so that it can fully cook with the onions. Always remember to add in your ginger or garlic after you've begun cooking your onions, since it always cooks faster than the onions itself. So guys, I don't want them to brown that much. I just want them to be cooked, but not that browned. Then I'll add in my tomatoes. So after adding in our tomatoes, let's add in the tomato paste and the spices. Then we cover it to cook so that we don't take raw spices. Add in your tomato paste. There you go. Then add in your spices. This is garam masala, and guys, remember you can lack any other spice in your chicken biryani, but never lack garam masala. That is the secret to chicken biryani. I'm going to add in my chicken doro from Timin Spices. There you go. Add in my paprika. That is it. Then we add in salt. Don't forget to add in salt. Mix and let it cook. I'm just going to cover it, and I wish you guys could be getting the aroma from the video. Let's give it time to cook before we add in our chicken, then our natural yogurt. Sawa. So my people, at this point, let's add in our natural yogurt. And after adding in your natural yogurt, make sure you lower your heat. Lower your heat, mix it. So after lowering your heat, add in your chicken. We will let it cook to a point that we can notice, or we will see some oil forming on top of the chicken. Let me mix it in. Give it a good mix. And when choosing your natural yogurt, my people, try and choose a light one so that it does not burn from the bottom. Let it cook so that you may not notice that sour taste of the natural yogurt. Cook it on low heat. I'm going to cover it, and we will be back when it's done. So guys, our chicken biryani is ready. So at this point, let's bring in our eggs. Hey, the aroma. So I've cooked it for around 30 minutes on a low heat so that it may cook well and slowly, and I'll let my ingredients incorporate well. Hey, I'm telling you, I can't wait to have a bite of this. I know some of us wish we were we also wish we were us. You wish we were we. Anyway, now let's serve it so that I may give you how it looks. So guys, our chicken biryani is ready, and as you can see, it's so delicious. And as I have said before, I know some of you wish you were us. We also wish we were we.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Anyway guys, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at the Alentonettes. Don't forget to follow our Facebook page at Yummy Yummy with the Alentonettes. And you can also be you by trying this amazing recipe at home using our simplest ingredients. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, share, and recommend us to your friends, family, so that we may grow the Alentonettes family. And guys, more content is coming up soon, and that is all for today. Thank you for watching, thank you for tuning in, and till the next one guys, ciao.